Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will again take a look at the support of this ascending triangle, and the price line is still moving above this support and again rejected by this resistance of $40,000 as well on the daily time frame. And we will also have some analysis on the short term as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we have already seen that the price line has broken out this very big channel, and after this breakout the price line is moving here above the resistance of this channel, and it has also formed another ascending triangle and moving very well between the resistance and support of this newly formed triangle. Now recently we can see that the price line is again rejected by this $40,000 resistance level, even though we had very nice rally up to $42,591, but the price line again moved down and still moving below this support, this resistance of $40,000. And previously we can see that it had been working as a nice resistance and support at the different places, like here as a resistance, and here as a support, here as a support, and here as a resistance. So several times it has been working as a resistance and support. Therefore, again, it is performing the role of a very strong resistance once again. Now, if we take a look at the target for this triangle, when the price line break out this resistance of the triangle, then we can expect a move to the upside here. That will be approximately $59,500. And in case of breakdown, for example, if we will break down the support from here, that will be very down from here, approximately at $28,300. There we have a very strong support. And now, if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, here price line, like previously I was showing you that the price line is forming an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and I was expecting that this will be the right shoulder. So far this shoulder is still valid, but at the same time Bitcoin has formed a diamond bottom that is a bullish bias pattern, and we can see that let me show you first this pattern. This is the resistance here, and here we have another support, and this is another support we have here, and it is the resistance of the diamond bottom we are having here. Here we have a few touch points, by the way, at that resistance, and we have more touch points, by the way, at the support here, and here we have several touch points at the resistance. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance, I'm just going to ignore these extra spikes, then after this breakout we can expect a move to the upside that will be here approximately at $40,700. And in case of breakdown, we can move down to this support to down here at $37,000, and we can see that here we have another support line that is coming all the way from here, from 7th of March. We have a rejection here, we have another bounce here, another bounce here, and the price line have several bounces by this support. Right now we are likely to break out the resistance of this diamond bottom. Therefore the next few hours are again very important for Bitcoin. If we will again break out the resistance of this diamond bottom here, then there will be a high probability that the price line will make another powerful attempt to break out this resistance of $40,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.